Miss Lindsay here. I am going to review perimeter and area with you. By now, it should be easy, but a little refresher is already good. So I like this visual because it helps me really remember that perimeter is the measurement around the outside of a shape and area is the measurement of space inside a shape. So just like I said at the beginning of our unit, perimeter is like a fence, like the outside of any yard or any object. And then the area is just the area there. So I am going to review the area and perimeter anchor chart that is under Tuesday, April 21st plan. So this is just a little reteach. And here's another good visual. Perimeter, 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 all around the outside, and then area is just that space in the middle. So when we find perimeter, we are finding the measurement around the outside of an object. Perimeter, the equation for perimeter is length plus width, or 2 times L, that would be 2 times length. Remember, when a letter and a number are right next to each other, that means you multiply them. So 2 times length plus 2 times width. That should be a capital W. Area is the measurement of space, square units, inside of an object. So when we want to find area, we do length times width. So if I were to find the perimeter of this object here, this rectangle, my equation would be length plus width plus width. So here I'm adding 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 to get 16 units. That is my perimeter. If I didn't have the units labeled here, I would just count the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 16. The area is multiplying 5 times 3. So I'm multiplying the length times the width, which is 15 square units. Or, some of you may already know this. If you see this little 2 here, I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Where'd it go? There it is. If you see this little 2 here, guys, that also means squared. And we taught you this a little bit earlier in the year. But remember, if you see a little 2, then that is also saying 15 square units or 15 units squared. All right, so today you have 2 worksheets. You have area and perimeter worksheet 1 and then area and perimeter worksheet 2. Now, I want you all to read what perimeter is again and what area is on your own. And then you are going to find the perimeter and the area of all the objects. Don't scroll down here because that's the answers. So first solve, and this one's a little bit easier. You just count the outside and then count the inside. And then this one, we are using our area and perimeter equations to find the perimeter and area of each rectangle. Now you could always have this pulled up, guys, and use this anchor chart if you forget how to find perimeter or what the equation is for area or perimeter. All right, good luck.